I fucking told you guys that this week's gonna be a fucking comeback week. Last week, you already know how that went. Coming back fucking strong this week. Feel me? We already up 1.5K in 2 days. That's just how it is, you feel me? So let's get right into it. This is the trade that I took today during New York Open. So off the bat, my bias going into the day was low-key bullish, only because I saw this rip up during London overnight, right? But if you go to the 15-minute time frame, right? Oh shit. How do I do this? Alright, but if you go to the 15-minute time frame right here, right? You can see after sweeping this buy side liquidity right here, right? We sweep it, come back down, close bearish. I consider that a rejection block. So I marked out 15-minute rejection block, as you can see right here, right? Go back to the 5-minute time frame. You can see we have 2 5-minute inversions, right? One right here and one right here. Great. Now, after that, we come back up and we rebalance into that 15-minute RB. And we also rebalance to those inversions. We push past them, but we don't close above them, which means, we're still respecting bearish order flow. So after that, you can see we have an SMT at the highs right here. To make it more clear, let's go right here. SMT at the highs. NQ took this high. ES didn't. ES was dumping early, way earlier than NQ did today, but we still dumped on NQ. And so after this SMT, I considered this small move right here a manipulation move on the 1-minute time frame. After we swept this buy side liquidity and then rejected, right? So I considered that a manipulation move. I drew my standard deviation, and as you can see, one of my levels aligned with London lows because London lows had not been taken yet. So that was my main target. So 2 inversions to the downside, a 15-minute RB rejecting all-time highs. We also have right here a 5-minute change in the state of delivery. We go to the 5-minute time frame right here. 5-minute change in the state right here. So I saw that we rejected all-time highs, that 5-minute change in the state, those 2 5-minute inversions, respecting that 15-minute RB. I'm like, it's literally basically like, yo, Jose, take shorts. And you see it right there. Anyways, so after that that change in state and we come down, we have a slight shift up, right? Watch. This slight shift up, I marked out my OTE from this high to this low, and I see that we rebalance my optimal trade entry, and then we push off of it. And then I took my entry when we came back towards that change in the state, as you can see right here. So my entry right here, and I took my shorts to target London lows. Saw that one of my levels was aligned with London lows. I could have targeted more. Alright, so like I was saying, so one of my levels was aligned with London lows, so it just gave me more conviction that that's where price wanted to go. That was a very strong draw on liquidity, in my opinion. So yeah, today was a textbook setup. I know some people, after that big move down, these longs right here were nice. Right here, I know I saw some people on YouTube or Instagram reels, TikToks taking these longs, but these shorts were the move for me. Off market open, being a little patient around 10 a.m.-ish is where I took this trade. Textbook, straight to London lows, like I like it. But yeah, small little recap again, fast recap. So go to the 15-minute time frame right here. You can see this buy side liquidity gets taken. We reject all-time highs, close bearish. Consider that a 15-minute RB. Go back to the 5-minute time frame. We had 2 5-minute inversions. We retrace into that 15-minute rejection block. My bad. Rejection block. Bounce off of it. Then we had a 5-minute change in the state. Gave me more conviction that we wanted to go down. And on the 1-minute time frame, we also had, on every time frame, but just to see more clearly right here, this SMT at the highs. NQ took this high. ES didn't. And after this move was made and we had this push down, I drew my OTE from this high to this low. You see that we come back into my optimal trade entry, not to the green point, not to 0.705 to the tick, but we're still respecting that area, as you can see. So we're respecting our OTE. We come back down. I take my shorts off that change in the state, retracing back to it. Take my shorts to London lows. See that it's aligned with one of my levels that on that standard deviation that I drew in within that manipulation move. So yeah, it's basically textbook. It's as simple as that. Like, if you didn't take these shorts, like it was literally obvious. You feel me? But yeah, calm $950 in a day. I fucking told you guys that I was gonna come back strong after that fucking week that I lost. You heard? I told you. So don't ever doubt me. But yeah, just had to put that out there. So yep, that's we're gonna end the video there. On to the next day. 2-day win streak right now, and we'll see how the rest of the week goes. There's really not much else to say. So, until tomorrow.